Hi, and a very good evening to everyone. I'm Soumya Singh, and today I'm incredibly excited to present VibeScribe, an autonomous multi agent RPG engine that I built for the Google AI Agents Intensive Capstone project. The main inspiration behind VibeScribe was solving a common issue with standard AI text games. Usually, if you use a single chatbot, the game forgets its own rules, let the player cheat or suffer from hallucination that breaks the mechanics. But VibeScribe fixes this by splitting the creative writing away from the actual game logic using a dual agent core architecture. So let's focus on the technical architecture and the two agents. So, behind the scene, the entire engine is powered by the Google Gen AI SDK running Gemini 2.5 Flash here in the anti gravity. Instead of one AI doing everything, I designed a multi agent system. Agent 1 is the rules lawyer. It acts completely with determination. When a player types an action, the rules lawyer inspects a local state disk, a file called the world state JSON file. It calculates whether the action is valid, modifies player health, handles inventory changes, and updates the location. Here in my project, I can show you in the sidebar, it updates the location, the health bar, and the inventory. Going back to the code, the agent 2 is the narrative viewer. This agent has no direct control over the game's rule. It simply reads the updated JSON data provided by the rules lawyer and transforms those raw stats into immersive dark fantasy prose. This ensures that the story stays incredibly creative while the gameplay mechanics remain strictly bounded and accurate. Let me give you a gameplay demonstration. Okay, so let's see it in action. Right now, you can see my custom dark fantasy streamlit interface. The UI features a novel state scrolling narrative log in the center and a live dashboard sidebar on the left. Here, tracking my live location, my health, and the inventory. I am going to type an action here. Okay, so this is my action. Now let's input it. Okay, so you can see as I inputted the action, it showed what will be done afterwards. As you can see, the engine processed the turn instantly. Look closely at the sidebar here on the left side. Um, my inventory updated automatically with the item I found, and the narrative viewer generated this rich atmospheric description of the event right here in the main window. If I try to do something impossible, like teleporting away or cheating, the rules lawyer will catch it and block the state update. Okay, so let's wrap up this discussion. Building VibeScribe really opened my eyes to the power of vibe coding. Moving away from tedious syntax and focusing purely on high level system architecture allowed me to engineer a fully working data driven game loop in record time. Ensuring structural validation from an LLM to manage a local JSON state disk was a huge technical milestone for me. The code is fully hosted publicly on GitHub and the submission write up is live on the Kaggle. Thank you so much to the instructors and the judges for checking out VibeScribe. Thank you to the Google developers team and Kaggle for providing an opportunity providing an opportunity to do vibe coding with you all. Thank you everyone.